Hi guys, I am Dan. In this video we will do a square puzzle with messtics. If you observe, you have a big square but it's incomplete and a small square. And the questions sound like this. Move 3 messtics to form 2 squares. The squares also can be from different sizes. You have 10 seconds to solve the puzzle. If you want more time to find a solution, you can pause the video. This is the solution. Okay, let's take a closer look of this shape of our messtics. If you observe, you have a clue here. This smaller square use one side from the big square. And the secret on this puzzle is to use 2 sides, okay? And you must move it inside this small square inside of this big square. And if you observe, you have 4 positions, but 2 positions are good, 2 positions are not good. This and this are not good to move it because you make too much movies. And this is good. And let's choose, for example, okay, this one. And then I must rotate one messtick. Okay, and now if you observe, after I rotate this one, I can place it where I want, and in this case I create 2 squares, this inside and this outside, and I use 2 sides. Okay, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.